dark lips and you want to get rid of that dark lips, so this video is particular for you. So stay tuned, watch how I make this pink lip scrub for scratch. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to get rid of dark lips. So if you want to get pink lips, so stay tuned. Okay, so in today's ingredients I'll be needing sugar, then I'll be needing scrub sea salt. So I'll be needing not too much. And today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. For my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to this channel. I really appreciate. And for my membership, thank you so much. Thank all my members. God bless you guys for joining my membership. So now we have the sea salt and sugar. So the next ingredient you will be needing is lemon juice. Lemon juice is very nice when eliminating dark spots. Okay, you want to get rid of those dark lips, so lemon juice is for you. So I'll be adding a drop of a lemon, that is 1 teaspoon of a lemon, okay, inside. Okay, this is a tablespoon. Okay, tablespoon of lemon. Then I'll be adding turmeric. Turmeric is another great lighting property. Okay, turmeric helps to lighten the skin, helps to lighten your body and all those stuff. So I will be adding teaspoon of turmeric, little one, not that too much. You can see the amount I take for the turmeric. So I'll be adding it inside. The next thing I will be adding is this toothpaste, Close Up. The one that has the yellow one that has the red inside. You can see the red inside. You can see the red inside. Can you see it? So this particular one is the one that we are going to be using. So first of all, let me turn it. You can see we are going to turn it very well. So I've turned it up. You have something like this. The next thing you are going to do is to add this particular toothpaste to it. Okay, and you guys can see it. So I'm going to be adding this particular toothpaste. You can see what I have here. Then I'm going to put it inside the scrub. Make sure you are mixing very well. Combine to the color of the toothpaste. Okay, I will show you guys after mixing. Okay, after mixing, you have something like this. Okay, a lot of you will say, can I use another toothpaste? Oh no, you can use another toothpaste. You can only use Colgate. If you can find Colgate, you can use Colgate toothpaste as well. But apart from Close Up, if you want to use this Close Up, you are going to use this particular one that you are going to use. This particular one that has red inside. So you are going to use. You have something like this. Then you take it, you use it in scrubbing your lips. So that's it for this video. So try it. This after using this scrub to scrub your lips for 1 week, you are going to see a difference. After scrubbing your lips with this scrub for the first time, you are going to notice some difference for your previous lips. Okay, your lips are going to be, I'm going to be very soft. So the next ingredient I'm going to add to this ingredient, it's a petroleum gel. Okay, sometimes when scrubbing your lips, you find out that your lip is so dry. That is why I'm going to add petroleum gel. You can see that is why I'm going to add this petroleum gel to it, because this is going to help your lips to moisturize. Okay, then your lips will not be staying so dry, or it will not lose moisture. Okay, so I'm going to put it inside. Okay, you're going to mix it up. So I will show you guys after mixing the combination together. Okay, voila, your pink lip scrub is ready. Can you see that? Can you see your pink lip scrub? This can last for you for months, years, depends on how you use it. So this particular Liz Plus do not have to put it in the fridge and does not contain preservation. It's 100% organic. Okay, you can use it. It doesn't contain any harsh chemical. Okay, it's not something that you will use is going to damage your lips, is going to burn your lips. This particular one is a organic lip scrub. Okay, pink lip scrub, organic. Okay, if you are dreaming to get that pink lips, start to use this scrub for today. You're going to see a good benefit, a good result from it. Okay, so you are going to put it in a container. Make sure you put it in container like this, that you are going to cover it up to save. So I'm going to put in it in a container. Okay, that's it for this. I'm going to put it in a container. That's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to share with friends and family. Don't be stingy, share so that others can learn as well. I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to super chat this video. It's another way of supporting this channel. And also don't forget to super thanks join our membership as well. It's another way of supporting this channel. I will see you guys on my next video. Stay healthy, stay positive. All the best. Bye for now. You can see it.